how to deposit cash or add money to your SoFi account, or how you can link or add a bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can deposit cash into your SoFi account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to actually add cash to your SoFi account, there are two types of SoFi accounts. That is a SoFi Invest and other is SoFi Money. So first, let's get started with the SoFi Invest. So first, log into SoFi and you want to make sure you're under the investing tab over here at the top. Once you're under SoFi Invest, you can see the option that says add cash on the right hand side. So just go ahead and select that option. As you select the add cash option, you'll see this kind of pop up. First, you have to select your frequency, one time, or you want it regular or anything. You can also select your bank account, from which account you're actually sending it. If you have not added bank account, you'll find the option that says manage accounts over here. You can just tap on it in order to link your bank account, and you can see to which account you want to send to, and just enter the amounts that you would like to send and tap on the review button at the bottom of the screen. Now that is to add or deposit cash on SoFi Invest. If you want to deposit cash to your SoFi Money, then in that case, again, we want to make sure we're under the Money tab from our SoFi main home screen. Once we are under the Money tab, you'll find the option that says add direct deposit right under your payment section. So just select the option called add direct deposit. And as you've done so, it'll again give you a similar kind of pop-up like how we added money on our SoFi Invest. Enter the amount that you want to send, from which account you want to send, and then just click on the next button at the bottom. Once you do so, you can see a little bit of review that says what kind of amount you're sending, which is available by the end of the day. You can also see the maximum data period of time, from which account you're sending, to whom you're sending, and click on the transfer money button. That's all it takes to deposit cash to your SoFi account or your SoFi Invest or SoFi Money as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.